Welcome back! Today we're gonna share with you 5 items that we glad that we brought with us when we go travel, especially in tropical country like Vietnam. You want?
Okay, item number 1 is.
Hold on, but hold your thought.
Are you okay? This is what I'm talking about. Why it's so important for a family to stay healthy while we travel. I hope you watch until the end so you can see the 5 items that are essential to bring with you. And today I would like to cover the 5 essential things to bring with you when you go travel to Vietnam, especially if you travel with kids. Number 1 to bring is Tylenol. Tylenol has in Vietnam might be more expensive to get, and also they use different names over here. So if you know Tylenol, you have Tylenol at home or you bring it with you. It's very important when you or your kid get a fever and you have it right away to bring the fever down. So I will highly recommend that's the number 1 to bring with you. This is Tylenol for adults, extra strength, and this is for children from 2 to 11 years old as a liquid. This is a suppository for infants. Number 2 item to bring is probiotics. The probiotics, the specific one that I'm talking about here is called Saccharomyces boulardii, and it helps with travel diarrhea. In addition to that, it also helps you to strengthen your immune system while you're traveling. You get tired easily, so and then your immune system might be down. So with the probiotic, the right one, it helps you with strengthen your immune system and also help you prevent diarrhea. Even if you did get a diarrhea, this probiotic will help you healing faster. Number 3 item to bring with you to travel to Vietnam is electrolytes. Since the weather here is hot and you sweat a lot, so you might lose a lot of electrolyte and you feel tired. So with taking electrolytes, it actually help replenish back those losses in your sweat. And just in case if you do get sick and you get diarrhea and you lost your appetite, electrolyte will be very handy to help you. So sweet and refreshing. A whole coconut. Number 4 is bug spray. The one that I can find here in Vietnam are the one that with chemical in it. It contains DEET. DEET. DEET is a chemical that can cause neuron damage or brain damage. So I don't really recommend to use that in children. For myself and my family, I like to use the natural bug spray, and I find them at Whole Foods or PCC or even online on Amazon. The one that do not contain DEET. And those are made up from organic essential oils and lemongrass oils. That the oils that the bug or the mosquitoes here do not like. But you just have to reapply every 2 hours until your body get used to the temperature here. You know how mosquito detect you is by they don't see, but they detect you by the temperature. So if your body get hot easily, and that's how they detect you. Last but not least, number 5 item to bring to Vietnam with you is water filter or water bottle that have the ability to self-cleaning. This is the bottle that we use. It's called Log. We got it from Amazon. It's quite expensive, but I think it's worth it. Every time we refill the water from the sink, we have to press the button here. It's a self-cleaning bottle. It helps with killing the bacteria in the water. So it's kind of purifying the water for you so that it's safe for you to drink. It's quite expensive, but if you want, you can also consider another one called Life Straw. We also have that one too. You can also get it from Amazon. It filters all the bacteria in the water for you. Thank you so much for watching a video. I hope you find the information helpful, and you can save the information down. So next time when you go travel, you can it will help you to prevent you and your family from getting sick. If you have anything else to recommend us to bring, please comment below and let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.